We are pleased to show you the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.